Hi there, I'm Stacy with WTI, and I am so excited because I was looking for the perfect studio fitness bag and I have found it. This is by Heathyoga and it is a complete big size tote that you can store all of your fitness needs in when you're going out to the studio or a gym. The bag is nice and deep with very strong handles that are reinforced at the top with extra fabric. The bag is made completely out of cotton and it's easy to wash if you need to. It has mesh pockets on the outsides, so I can easily put my keys in there or my phone and find those two vital needs whenever I need to. I love that it has extra storage on the outside and inside with very strong supported zippered pockets. The bag is nice and deep, and the very bottom has an extra layer of padding inside, so that when you place it down onto the ground, you know that you have that support there. My favorite feature of the bag is that I can take my yoga mat with me. So I love having my own mat with me no matter where I go. And I love that I can place the mat securely into the front of this bag with the heavy-duty canvas straps that are supported with a heavy-duty buckle. So this buckle will hold everything in place. I never worry that my mat is going to come out. You can adjust it and make sure that it's nice and snug if you need to as well. I am just so excited and happy for the look of this bag as well as how functional it is and letting me take whatever I need to with me. And that is my point of view.